you guys, we're gonna have fun today. Number one, we're talking all things camo. Who's missed it? This girl has. Number two, daily daily deal. It's back today. Check out this new Peyton Jensen Camo Sherpa pullover. Obsessed. Knit pockets. Feels so good. You guys, $62 today only. Original $98. 24 hours. You get it now. You're gonna live in this for the rest of the winter because you know what? It's coming. It's here. And we just want cozy things. And you know what? My closet is hungry for some camo. I just love like that. It's like the green is so good. It's like a perfect olive and then all the hues in between it. The inside is like knit lined, so it feels amazing. Such a great price point. I'm buying true to size in this, you guys. And I just have it paired with the Good American. This is the Deco Yoke jean. They feel so good. It's high. Here's my belly button. Here's the pant. Like it's all right there. So it's holding life in. Slight little kick flare, which I love because then I paired it with these little slip-on Dolce Vita. I think these are the Huey boot. Love the color of it. And you just like slip it on, walk out the door. It's like you're trading in your leggings for a little pair of jeans. But yep. Original $98, getting it for $62 today. Only, you guys. Okay, camo outfit number one. Reminder, Holly daily deal. This guy, 24 hours today only. And let's move on to the next camo look. Okay, obsessed with this sweater. What an amazing take on camo. I love all the neutral colors in this. This is by Jen & Jen. I think it's the Dominic camo sweater. Super lightweight, so it's gonna be easy for layering something underneath. Well, you could layer something underneath, but I meant something over the top. This would be your underlayer. But I am wearing a large in this, so it's a little bit more fitted, not meant to be oversized. Love a little banding. I mean, the gray is kind of like a gray-green. So pretty. But I want to talk to you guys. Oh my God, I'm already out of breath. I'm already out of breath putting on a pair of shoes. Jeez Louise, get yourself back in shape. We need 2021 to come, new fitness goals for me. But, okay, these jeans. Holy bananas. I don't even know what holy bananas means, but holy bananas. And we got a falling apart, hanging out. But anyways, these are the Hudson high-waisted Barbaras. And I mean, Barbara, we love a good Barbara. That means she holds you all the way in. But this has had a really cool, like super stretch, what's called, and it's all done really cleanly. So like made out of eco fabrics. They're using less water to create the wash in it. It's a really cool wash black. You probably can see that as I'm like doing this. So high, holding me in. These are a size 29. And a lot of times when jeans have, you see this, got a lot of stretch, sometimes they tend to stretch out and bag down. So I might try a 28, so it's more of a 6, just because there's so much stretch. Holy buckets, you guys. They're a classic skinny, which I absolutely love. Have them paired with a little Schutz Andrew combat boot, because it just makes the leg look longer, because you're like, it's all black, so it just like keeps the eye moving forward. But I do think this whole look would be absolutely adorable with these little kind of Chelsea boot by Dolce Vita, the ones I had on previously, just because it kind of matches the top. And how cute would this whole outfit, I mean, talk about maybe a little trend send box. This top would also be really cute with these jeans and these boots, but so fun. Okay, so that's camo option number 2. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. I shot half my stories yesterday, ran out of time, and I'm back shooting the other half today. Still camo, which I'm so glad I did, because I was like, oh, I was a little flat yesterday, but I'm ready to go today, put my tanning oil on my face, feeling a little bit prettier. Let's talk about camo again. Okay, if you love camo and you love sets, this little set feels like heaven. The quality alone on this rail set, so this is my rails. I think it's the Ramona sweatshirt and then the Lexington jogger. So definitely could be worn separately, but I love them together. You guys, the quality of this feels like no other. Like super thick, but still really cozy. I got the pants pulled up high up to my belly button. They just feel good. Wearing a large in the bottom. I think I could go to a small. No, I could not go to a small. I could go to a medium because I think they'll relax and let go. I am wearing a small, medium, in the sweatshirt. It runs shorter, so for petites, this is a great sweatshirt for you, but we are already out of the warehouse here, gone out of the medium. So wearing a small, and it feels tight, but still feels really cozy. And one thing that I love, I was talking with our accessories buyer last week, I love casual sets kind of with gold jewelry. So if you're still looking for a holiday gift, you guys, I love necklaces. This is that, oh gosh, look at me, a tangled mess. This is that cute little initial set. So you got the bar, and then we already like layered it for your girl or whoever you're gifting this to, or to yourself, but we already have it layered, so it makes it super easy, one and done. But so fun. And then have it paired with these new P448 sneakers. I'm gonna pop it off and show you guys because they're adorable. So they're this like great little silver and white, great neutral. Look at that light hit of silver in it. So fun. Coming with the neutral lace, I was gonna say slipper, but if you want a little bit more like sass and make it a little bit more rocker, it comes with these crazy fun little sparkly, you know, oh gosh, words, you guys, really cute sparkly ties. We're just gonna call them ties. Shoelace, oh, for crying out loud. Happy week already, guys. Okay, but super fun. So I just like the neutral part of it, makes the outfit look a little bit lighter. But again, if you just wanna spice it up, that's the beauty of P448s. So if you're like holding back, resisting to one because you're like, it's a little too much, they always come with the neutral and they always come with a little spark of fun. But this is kind of look number 3. I'm gonna hide my really ugly unpainted toenails. Camo. Number 3, I'm gonna put on my last look. Okay, look number 4, and I love this version of a take on camo. I mean, not a take on camo, they are camo. So they're the level 99 truck pant. Can you guys see this like super slight hint of camo? It's so pretty. So I love this because they're just like that good go-to olive utility pant, just like with that little hit of camo in it. So it really acts like a neutral, so it's just easy to pair with so many things. I'm wearing a medium in this. And at first I was like, oh, your pants are tight. But the beauty of these bottoms is they are gonna relax. I don't wanna say stretch out, but they're definitely gonna relax. So you want them to feel a little bit snugger when you first put them on. So at the end of the day, you don't got saggy butt syndrome, all good. And I love that it has like an actual drawstring to it so you can adjust it. I get that back gapping in the back of my waist, so I can just tighten them. All good to go. And I swapped in for a pair of sneakers with these joggers for these awesome shoots, the Andrea Combat boot. We have been selling these like crazy. And I just kind of pushed the jogger up just a little bit. I love that it kind of like meets the top of the boot. So just a fun little upgrade from your sneaker, just to put the outfit a little bit more put together. Okay, paired it with this Allison Joy, the V-neck. It's the cozy, I think it's the MAC cozy pullover. Obsessed. So this is the gray version. Also comes in this really fun lime green. It's got a little baseball hem style to it. I love this guy for petites. If you have a little bit of a larger chest, a V-neck is always crazy flattering. And just so you can see that little drawstring, I just popped it right in the front, set to go. And then just to make this outfit even more cozy, throw on this little Reels jacket. So cute. For those of you who don't need a full-on winter coat yet, this is such a great alternative to either be worn inside and outside. But camo number 4, if you don't have these already, you need them. And I'm pretty sure they come in solid black too. But speaking of coziness, reminder, everyone, last day, Holly Daily deal on this Peyton Jensen. I don't know why I'm holding it like this, just to show you for sure there's camo everywhere. It's the Peyton Jensen, the camo Sherpa pullover. You guys, $62 today only. Originally $98, so amazing. Grab it, get it, so good. And have a great rest of your week.